Hello friends and neighbors and creatives and artists, bookmakers. I just wanted to show real quick what is in the kits that I have made that will be in my Etsy shop that are for anything you want or to use in my brown baguette class that is on Teachable. So I will put the link to my Etsy shop and the Teachable class, which is really inexpensive. But I will also give a 25% discount coupon for anyone who would like to take the brown baguette class. It's over 2 hours worth of class for making some really fun doable journals, albums, gifts. This could be anything you want it to be, a travel journal, anything you want. So there's a little one, and then here's a little one that's a little fatter. And the class shows how to make all of this. So they're really sweet, really doable, affordable, fun. Well, I can't tie that right now. This is a little bit bigger of one. The kits have this size of bags, the lunch size bags, and enough to make one this thick. And many different ways to make these. All kinds of options for putting them together and binding using really fun, everyday things and turning them into beautiful art. Even dumpster diving. So it's a very thorough class. It's my very first online class ever, and it's just extremely affordable and doable. Here's another option that's hasn't really had much done with it yet. This is another option for a way to bind. And here's another one. So loads and loads of fun ideas. So the kit will have, I'll show you through this pile, every kit will have the same amount of things, the same basic things. Big things, little things, pages, elements, textile things, ribbon to tie it up. So I'm gonna move this so it's not too shiny. So the bags and a bunch of fun pages, old things, antique things, vintage things, foreign art papers that I made, old book pages, scrapbook papers, tags, words, labels, beautiful papers, just fun vintage things, old office things, lace, tags. These are stickers. And then there will be enough ribbon to tie it up really pretty. This is sari ribbon. And then there will be plenty of brown packing tape if you would like to use that. fun textile elements, vintage, antique, quilt bits, ribbon, washi tapes, fun little figures, old measuring tape, old school things, fun foreign things, pretty things, tags, some of my own art papers, just a variety of lots of fun things. So that's in the kit, and that will be in my Etsy shop. So I will put the link, and I will also put the link for the Brown Baguette class. With a coupon for 25% off of that. Sorry about my wobbly camera. I'm just doing a quickie video to show what's in the kit. Okay, thanks for looking, and I hope to see you in my Etsy shop and in the Brown Baguette class. I think you would love it.